significant for patients to get the all appliances correct, to make sure that we've got the alignment of the jaw, and what was interesting was making sure that we got the first fit correct straight away, and so the person could get that initial change quickly, so any doubt in the mind about having that accuracy was taken away, so the compliance then would be much more for physicians to be able to sign up to the APP-NEA programme, to make sure that they are getting that analytical objective approach, and that physicians are referring to dentists who have got this training to make sure that their patients get the best treatment.